Jatend migao mar Tuke Salim Mvurya okwayo jokenya mondo ochop kar rombgi kendo miyo jotuk Harambee Stars mijing'o e tugo mag CHAN machiegni chakore. Kanowuoyo e kinde mane otimo limbe mare mar neno chal mar alap ma Kasarani gi Nyayo, Mvurya olero ni ikruok oserumo kendo en gi geno ni Kenya, Uganda gi Tanzania biro bago tuke mag CHAN maber mana kaka ranyisi bende motelo ne pinje adek gi bago tuke mag pinje Afrika higa mar 2027. Mvurya mane oten gi jagoro mongirore Elijah Mwangi bende nolimo paw ndege mag JKIA otiko mar donje tugo mokwongo e kind Kenya gi DRC Congo chieng' Jumapil to osenyiew morumo.
We have good progress. You have seen the branding here in this stadium, the branding in Kasarani, and many of the things that relate to the tournament are now ready, and the teams have begun to arrive. I think we have several teams that are already in the country, and therefore I want to assure Kenyans that this historic tournament is going to take place as planned, and all the preparations are on schedule. Even at the airport, we have a desk, we have a number of stewards and volunteers who speak several languages, basically also to guide our delegations, CAF delegations and visitors who will be coming here to watch the games. We also have a lounge for VIP delegation at the airport, and therefore we are not taking anything to